You are grounded.
Oh my god, I am so hungry. I haven't eaten in a very long time. I know what I could do. I'll eat the whole entire fridge. Not only will I be full, but it will also piss off my parents. Now to eat the fridge. Wow, that was delicious. And I'm not even fat, due to GoAnimate logic.
Oh, did someone say GoAnimate logic? Dora, where is the fridge? And you'd better tell the truth, or else you will be sent to the dungeon.
Okay, fine. I ate the fridge because I was very hungry. Please do not ground me. I am so sorry.
Oh. Dora, how dare you eat our whole fridge? It was $3,000 plus $500 in food. That's it. You are grounded until everyone likes Jake Paul. Go to your room now.